Berthon Scandinavia, 2023 became a successful year, much better than our initial expectations. We started the year with a cautious outlook, anticipating a slowing of the market with fewer listings than the year before. However, our predictions could not have been more wrong. By April, a significant number of yacht owners began seeking our expertise to market and sell their lovely yachts. This period marked an increase in interest among our clients, many of whom were eager to follow their dream of owning a high-quality yacht. They aspired not just to sail, but to embark on extended voyages and to embrace the liveaboard lifestyle. The Swedish krona's performance in 2023, maintaining a lower value against the euro and the US dollar, introduced an interesting dynamic to the market. We saw a surge in interest from international buyers and, due to the weak Swedish krona, a decrease in number of Swedish buyers. This exchange rate was beneficial for both buyers and sellers, so our market was really busy. Here at Berthon Scandinavia, we specialize in brokerage sales of sailing and motor yachts from 30 to 80 feet, with construction years spanning from the 90s till today. Most of our listings are premium yachts manufactured by Swedish and Scandinavian shipyards, as well as other renowned European brands. We are also dealers for fantastic Solaris yachts, which are built in Italy, and it has been an exciting year for them launching new models. We are planning to expand our office here in Henån by adding a positive person who is mad about our sport. So for next year, we hope to report back with even more yachts sold and a new member of our team.